Find the numerical value of 6r plus 1 over 2r squared minus 3r minus 20 when, in part A, r is equal to negative 2, and in part B, when r is equal to 4. Starting with part A, if r is equal to negative 2, let's substitute that value into a rational expression, giving 6 times a negative 2 plus 1 over 2 times negative 2 in parentheses squared minus 3 times negative 2 minus 20. Simplifying the numerator, we have a negative 12 plus 1. In the denominator, negative 2 quantity squared is 4 times 2 is 8. Negative 3 times the negative 2 is a positive 6, and our minus 20. So the numerator is a negative 11. In the denominator, 8 plus 6 is 14. Minus 20 is a negative 6. And this gives a quotient of positive 11/6. Therefore, evaluating for r equal negative 2 gives 11/6. Now for part B. Let's evaluate this rational expression if r is equal to 4. So in the numerator, we have 6 times 4 plus 1. The denominator is 2 times 4 squared minus 3 times 4 minus 20. Simplifying the numerator, we have 24 plus 1. In the denominator, 4 squared is 16 times 2 is 32. Negative 3 times 4 is a negative 12 and minus 20. So our numerator is 25. In the denominator, we have a negative 12 and a negative 20, which combine for negative 32, plus a positive 32, which is 0. So if we evaluate the rational expression at r equal 4, then we get an undefined outcome because division by 0 is undefined.